So just fine-tuning where we want our lanes for the front of the milk house and across front of the barn. Talking everything over, planning it all out, what the excavator's gonna do. Excavator's working on making a lane over to our other farm from the new barn. So he has a place to put all the fill from inside the barn. It all has to come out. I'm gonna cut the branches off of this east side of this tree here on the right, and I think we're taking out the tree on the left because it will just not be enough room to bring equipment through otherwise. Yeah. So he's got the topsoil off where the lane's gonna go through the back lawn here. I hope he didn't hit anything important. And John William and I trimmed up that tree on the left there of the lane, where the lane's going. That looks cool. That's where the tank's gonna sit. There's the opening for a door. Neat. Wow, it looks so different. And it's just cement. There's a little room here. Gonna be where the door is into the utility room, or the hallway out into the main barn. They still have to pour the office. So, oh. Oh, that's for the drain. Ah. Cool. That's so neat. So it's time to move the elevator around again so that they can put the concrete in here. All right. Hey. Good. Oh. There's some cement in here. Oh. For the drains. John's been taking all the tabling out. are filling the wall in the office. That's the drain for the footbath, and that one's the drain for the washing the cows. Oh, Marshall. Here comes the bosses. Cleaning it up. I got it all washed off and cleaned up, all the concrete off of it. Looks really nice. The drains are setting. This is all cleaned off too. And?
Well, I see they have the lines where the floor will be.
Okay. Yeah. Yep, the red lines where the floor is going.
Yeah, if you look in here, higher.
Okay. Yeah. Huh. And the dogs for a little swim at the creek down the road from our farm. And then they go through the tunnel. Culvert, I should say. Hi, Marshall. There comes Paley out. This creek runs through our farm. But there's a tree wood lot that we had planted, and it was protected. The conservation put it in, and we weren't allowed to put anything in it for 10 years. It's been long past that now, but we still don't put cattle in it. So, yeah. Oh, it's going back in the water. Did your dog go through? Yeah. No, I think he's still over here. There's Marshall coming out.
Taking off.
Where you going, bud? Yeah, it's right by the side of the road here. Coming, buddy? Paley? Paley? Wow. She's super in a hurry.